Bitcoin halving is just 16 days from now. Okay, so I am looking at on the 19th, 20th, and 21st of this very month of April for this very historic event to happen in the crypto market. We know that this event happen every four years. So which narrative will be the best for you to invest in this very bull market? That is what I'll be talking about in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, day trading strategy, and many other opportunities in the crypto space to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto videos and educational content. Right here on CoinMarketCap, if you look at this, 16 days from now, the Bitcoin halving is going to happen. And we know that this happened after every 4 years since the creation or the inception of Bitcoin. Okay, the most current one that happened, that was in 2020 May. Okay, and right now we are just 16 days, 10 hours and 15 minutes counting down to this very event. Everybody is anticipating and waiting for this very event to happen. So the question is, which narrative will be the best for you to invest in this very bull market? This is very significant. Now, when it comes to crypto, there are a lot of new developments and new technology coming out, and programmers are trying to program to beat other blockchains and other developers. All this competition is leading to a very massive and interesting growth in the crypto market. But if you want to really gain much and gain massively in this very bull run, there are certain narrative that is very important for you to pay attention to. And the first narrative that I want to focus on is the meme narrative right here. So you have to look at memetics, and the coins that you have to purchase right here must be coins that are very valuable, and maybe that are already on the major exchanges, because those coins, that mean it already have massive adoption and is going to do very much well. Unlike you going to site like Dexscreener or Dex2 and look for a very newly listed meme that may not have any future. So look for meme at this very area, and this narrative is going to do greatly well in this very bull market. The next narrative that you need to pay attention to next to the memetics is the AI. Okay, so the AI space have not really experienced bull market, so I am expecting that this very narrative is going to pump hard next to the memetics, and then the next one is the gaming space and the Web3 industry. So this is very important. So these are the three narratives that you need to watch right now in the crypto market. Now, don't buy anyhow meme coin. Don't buy any altcoin you see that is tag AI, or any coin that you see in the gaming industry or the Web3. This is very important. You need to strategically do your research and ensure that your research apply in any of these three narratives. This is very important. And then when your research apply, you can then buy that very coin or token in this very narrative. So this is very important. So these are the three narratives that I want you to pay attention to as we count down to the Bitcoin halving event right here on CoinMarketCap. And one thing very important is that you see the fear and greed index have rose up to this very area of 71%. This is very important and critical, because if this move down, which it will do, and got into this very area, this will be the right time for you to begin to sell off your cryptocurrency. This is very important in addition to this very video. So please, if you are new here, don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. And one more thing, I am organizing a crypto bootcamp for this very bull market. So it is specifically for this very bull market. We've started the first one, second one, and the third one is coming up this very month. So if you want to enroll for that very bootcamp, check the description of this video, see contact, and reach out to me immediately for enrollment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.